Hello everyone, here we are going to perform another experiment, that is connection and consumption of a power by fluorescent lamp. Here we are using two lamp, that one each one rating is 40 watt, means we are using 2 watt, 2 lamp tube light, means 80 watt consumption. Now from this setup we are going to perform two experiments. One is to find the power factor, and second one is to how to improve a power factor by using capacitor. So first we are going to discuss about the tube light, the working of tube light. So in this tube light, one choke is there and one starter is there. So the choke is basically the choke is useful by providing initially high voltage, and the starter is providing initially high voltage. So initially current, sorry, high current. So here first when we will on the supply, the current flow through the supply to choke, and then it will not go through a tube light, it will directly go to the starter, and then it will make connection. But after some time the current is passing through this tube light, and the working of starter will be cancelled out. So by this connection, this one is used when choke will be make connection. Choke and starter both are combined, and they will make connection. After that, no use of starter. Now here we are going the apparatus requirement. Here two tube light, that one is 40 watt. Now this is a wattmeter, this is voltmeter, this is ammeter, and this one is one switch. The rating of this wattmeter is 0 to 175 watt. It is a 4-factor wattmeter, and the voltmeter rating is 0 to 600 volt, and the current is 0.1 to 0.5 ammeter. The rating of this one is current. Now the connection is, this power supply is directly connected to the wattmeter. The current here is two coil is there. The one is current coil and second is potential coil. The current coil is directly connected to the voltmeter's connection, and one is then after that from this current coil, this one connection is connected to the in series, that ammeter, and one connection is go to the output of this one is go to the tube light. From tube light, one connection is come to the voltmeter second terminal. So this is a connection, full connection is happened. Then we are going to perform this experiment when we are going to put the switch on. So here it is showing that from here 230 volt supply is there, but this tube light is not glowing, because when load will be on, then it will show the current. Now we are going to put the switch. Now its connection is formed, and you will see that from first to 1 to second the bulb is not properly glowing. Then the starter and choke make this connection, and after that starter remove, and this connection is happened. This is a fluorescent lamp, and it is the gas is argon gas is flowing, and this is phosphorus coating, that's why it's showing white color. Now here we are seeing that the current is 0.76 is ampere current, and 230 volt supply, and here the watt is 20, around 20 watt, means it is a 4-factor. So 20 into 4, that is 80 watt, and we are know that this one is 40 watt each, that's why it will be 80 watt. Now second experiment is how can we find the power factor. So 80 upon 220 into 0.76, we are finding that power factor is V into I into cos phi. So cos phi by P upon Vi. P means power, upon V means voltage, and I means ammeter current. So P we know that from this fluorescent at 80 watt. Now upon V is 230 volt and current we are showing that 0.76 ampere current. So if we will find, then we will get the some power factor. But if the current value will be reduced, so power factor will be improved. How? The P is equal to VI into cos phi, and if current will be minimum, then the power factor will be improved. So by reducing the current, we are using a 10 microfarad capacitor, and this capacitor we will put in the connection with parallel with voltmeter and ammeter. Then the current will be reduced and our power factor will be improved. Now we are going to perform second experiment. Here we have a 10 microfarad capacitor. This one is 10 microfarad capacitor, and we will connect this one by this will be common and this will be 1 ammeter. Now again I am going to switch on the supply. Again it will happen, but you will see the current value is from 0.76, it is reduced to come to the 0.48. It means the current is reduced, so power will be same and voltage will be same, but current is less. If current is less, then means power factor is improved. So if you will see that the practical experiment, we are using single phase induction motor in fan. Our home, we are saying that one fan is there. So if you will see that there will be one capacitor will be there. The use of this capacitor is to reduce the current. So you will get the better power factor compared to previous one. That's why we are putting capacitor there. Same experiment we are doing here, and it will be very beneficial for anyone. Thank you.